Zero trust mandates are being scored. However, most programs still can't show a defensible maturity baseline. Today, agencies spend months in spreadsheets like this trying to prove maturity across overlapping mandates. With Easy, you can get a dual framework maturity baseline, a gap analysis, and 12 to 18 months of roadmap aligned to both the DoD Zero Trust COA and the CISA Zero Trust maturity models, all within a week. You get your pillar wise heat maps, your maturity over time for each level, and a 12 to 18-month ROM for the effort to get you to the advanced maturity levels. We have built Easy based on our experiences in real federal environments. If you own Zero Trust or ICAM for your program and don't have a defensible baseline yet, stop by Zephon's booth or visit zephon.tech/ZT to request a 30-minute Zero Trust reality check.